Hello, and welcome to the Freelance Writing Bootcamp, 21 creative exercises to give your freelance writing career a boost. You'll enjoy this course, I reckon, if you're thinking about becoming a freelance writer. This will push you down a path of research and decision-making about your career. Or if you're a freelance writer already who needs a bit of a boost, or even a kick in the pants to get a bit of momentum going. I'm Philippa Davis, editor, journalist and psychologist, author of 12 non-fiction books and a novel that got turned into a double Wales BAFTA-winning film. But what I love doing best is teaching you students and having one-to-one interactions with you to help your writing careers. After taking this course, you'll be able to position yourself strongly as a freelance writer and set yourself up in a clear direction. You'll be able to create a portfolio, including a range of posts to suit your target clients. And you'll be well equipped to take decisions about where and how you find clients and market your services. How much time and energy, for instance, do you want to put into different types of social media? Each lesson contains an exercise which you'll be encouraged to send over to me for one-to-one feedback if you'd like it. Or you can do the course with a friend and coach each other. You can do it over 21 days if you wish, or more randomly. The only material you need is the downloaded workbook. Lovely to see you here. Look forward to talking more about your writing career and welcome aboard.